I've heard church bells ring. I've heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle on her finger. He placed her ring. Whoa, I saw them holding hand. He was standing there with my man. I saw the promise to death do us apart. Each word was a pain in my heart. All I can do is cry. All I can do was cry. I was losing the man that I love. And all I can do was cry. And now the wedding's over. Christ has been thrown over dead. For this life has just begun, but mine, it's out. Losing the man that I love.